All right, Rahul, stay on with us. There's a reaction coming in from the Congress party to the attack launched by the BJP. Congress defends Rahul Gandhi's Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, saying it's a purely personal visit.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी जी आज कैलाश मानसरोवर की यात्रा के निकले हैं और ये उनका व्यक्तिगत आस्था से जुड़ा हुआ मुद्दा है। इसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा टीका टिप्पणी करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, लेकिन जो संकल्प उन्होंने लिया था कर्नाटक चुनाव प्रचार के दौरान में, जिस प्रकार हवाई जहाज जिसमें वो ट्रेवल कर रहे थे वो संतुलन खोया और बहुत गंभीर परिस्थिति में जब जहाज और सब लोग गुजर रहे थे तो राहुल गांधी जी को अपने इष्ट देव भगवान शिव की याद आई और वहीं उन्हीं परिस्थितियों में संकल्प किया।
We have Rahul Srivastava, political editor, who's with us live. Rahul, the Congress saying this is a purely visit, and Rahul Gandhi at a rally and very publicly has said that the reason why he wants to go is because he felt scared. He felt he needed to pray, especially after that mishap that where the aviation ministry also says that his plane could have easily crashed had the crew not regained control over the plane.
Simi, I think we are living in those times where Rahul Gandhi, who was considered a slightly reluctant politician, has realized that he has to be a 24/7 politician. And in that, I think now almost everything will get politicized, will get dramatized. The incident that happened on the 26th of April 2018 when Rahul Gandhi was flying from Delhi to Hubballi was an incident in which the DGCA report is extremely clear that it seems there was no conspiracy. It was a private charter aircraft. It was a Dassault Falcon 2000 aircraft with a marking VT-AVH. It is a privately owned aircraft which was a chartered flight. The pilots had put the aircraft on autopilot, and the autopilot wing functioning went out of control. The aircraft veered to the left and plummeted as far as the altitude is concerned. The pilots took crucial time. There was a delay in switching the aircraft back to manual level and then regain control, and the aircraft had plummeted by that time. There was terrible shuddering in the aircraft and that definitely could have given the jitters. There was a close shave because had the pilots not managed within a few seconds to bring back, the aircraft was falling too sharply. Now the fact is that the Congress tried to blame a conspiracy angle on it, and again the Congress will dramatize it. There is a bit of politics to the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra which cannot be denied.
Absolutely, and given the current political situation, it's very difficult to draw a line between political and personal, and religion, of course, has become a part of Indian politics. Rahul, stay on with us. Let's once again listen in to that statement coming in from the Congress party.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी जी आज कैलाश मानसरोवर की यात्रा के निकले हैं और ये उनका व्यक्तिगत आस्था से जुड़ा हुआ मुद्दा है। इसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा टीका टिप्पणी करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, लेकिन जो संकल्प उन्होंने लिया था कर्नाटक चुनाव प्रचार के दौरान में, जिस प्रकार हवाई जहाज जिसमें वो ट्रेवल कर रहे थे वो संतुलन खोया और बहुत गंभीर परिस्थिति में जब जहाज और सब लोग गुजर रहे थे तो राहुल गांधी जी को अपने इष्ट देव भगवान शिव की याद आई और वहीं उन्हीं परिस्थितियों में संकल्प किया कि मैं कैलाश मानसरोवर की यात्रा करने के लिए जाऊंगा, और उन्होंने बाहर आके फिर रैली में ये घोषणा भी की कि मैं जाऊंगा। उन्होंने जो संकल्प लिया वो संकल्प पूरा करने के लिए वो आज निकले हैं कैलाश मानसरोवर की यात्रा।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.